Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy 8th birthday, Aldeo.
Thank you.
Wish before you blow your candle. I can't hear.
I'm just gonna tell you after it, okay?
It's a secret?
Yep.
Yay! What's your wish?
What I wish is to have a new house and then new money and then new car. Your
Oh.
favorite car.
Aww.
Yay, we are not just a carnival. I am buying tickets right now.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Daddy.
Hands up, hands up! Yeah! Yeah! I told you, you can make it! Eto na guys, yung nakakakaba kasi nga siya mismo ang mamimili ng kanyang birthday gift na laruan. Buti na lang mabait talaga ang anak kong si Aldeo dahil kapag hindi ko afford, pipili na lang talaga siya ng iba. What's that?
Okay.
Minecraft?
It is, no.
What's that?
It's Pet Simulator X.
So, how are you gonna use that?
You have to open the egg.
And then,
You will see like this inside this one. You have to connect it. And then, you know what's this?
I don't know.
That's a card for the game.
Okay,
It's a code.
okay.
Yeah, that's all.
You like it?
Yep.
At syempre, pagkatapos mapagod, gutom ang kasunod niyan. Kaya dumiretso kami kaagad sa Pho Hua, isa sa paborito naming Vietnamese restaurants. Anak, sana'y napaligaya kita ngayon sa iyong kaarawan. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy.